these ones you don't like, or just spares?
I don't know.
So why do you keep them?
I don't know.
Just because. Were you wiggling at me again?
Was I wiggling? I don't know.
I'll check. What day is this getting uploaded?
I can't say. It's late.
Bye. I'm here or I'm taking my face?
Tucker.
I'm listening closely.
I'm saying Tucker. I'm saying Tucker.
I don't know what wiggle songs are. So if you could sing anything and tell me it's not wiggles, then I'd believe you. I only know some wiggle songs. I don't want it to burn on the bottom.
There we go. There we go. That's the sauce. That's it. And it's the salt. Black pepper. That's nice. They're coming out.
Use a chopstick to scrape it. Probably just needs to be broken up.
Stay tuned for a food challenge.
What are you doing with that?
So stay tuned for a challenge.
What kind of challenge? You can't say.
And they will find out.
Fair enough.
Hang on a minute, I'll be back. That won't make it bloody die on me. Hang on a sec, guys. There we go.
I reckon what you should do with that is get a piece out and put it on a plate and just pull it apart and make sure it's ready. Because I think it's a bit hard to tell when it's still in there. Drop the tongs. Can I hold it?
Yeah.
You just grab one, maybe the middle one. It's still pink in the middle. Do you want me to have it? It's still kind of pinkish.
Yeah.
I just don't want to get sick. I can't tell if it's just pink from the sauce or if it's... Maybe like 5 more minutes, you think? Or do you think it's good?
7 minutes.
Okay. Just until this is done, I reckon.
So it does take 35 minutes.
Well, I think it would be ready, but just to be safe, I think. Just because you see how near the bone's still a bit.
And take a little bit.
Good.
It's good. I didn't do it.
I saw that out of the corner of my eye. See, guys, always wiggling. Always. Look how foggy the
Because of Steve.
Yeah, because all the steam. Miss Know-it-all.
I'll be back. I'm going to surprise at my place.
Bet you it's something wiggle related.
But it is not.
I bet you it is.
No.
What do you guys reckon? Wiggle or not? I told you. Wiggle. Ultimate wiggle. Don't get that dirty, miss. Don't get it dirty.
Look.
Your wiggle shirt.
What are you doing? What are you talking about?
Isn't that the one you have to wear to work? When you do work? Or not really?
Yeah. I'm at work.